Hey guys, it's Pauline. So, Victoria's Secrets sent an email saying that their stuff was on sale. I have been eyeing these products here for a while. And then I had some kind of, I had coupons. And so, I went ahead and picked up some things that I have been wanting. Alright. Okay. So, there we go. Alright, so these were, I think you got a free underwear. Yeah, I don't want to see the underwear I picked. So, just, let me see. I was able to pick up on 2 pair of free underwear somehow. I forgot, it's like a coupon. So I picked these up. Okay, let's put those inside of the yellow here for all the accessories. Now this, I didn't realize this was this small, but let's look at it. I have been wanting this forever, but I didn't want the mini. I thought that this was a full-size bag, but let's see. So I think this was like $69. I didn't pay that. By the time I put in all the coupons and all that, everything came down with shipping, tax, and everything to like $84. So I don't know what I actually paid for this, but I am hoping that I can use something this small. I'm trying to figure out if I really want to even keep it. But if this is smaller than I want it. And I'm bad at not looking at... I thought I saw like a model holding it up against her. And I thought I knew what I was getting. But anyway, let's take a look. So I am going to think about this. So I'm not going to unwrap this. I think I'm going to keep it, but I really wanted a bigger one. Anyway, and then it might have said in the description that it was a mini. But I saw it and I was so excited, so I probably didn't read. I thought this was so pretty. Maybe it's always been mini, but I thought I've seen people with a full-size one, like the regular, like the mini Rowan, not the mini Rowan, like the regular medium Rowans. But this is what it looks like. And you got your adjustable strap here. You can make it, I'm assuming you can make it crossbody or shoulder. So, I don't see how they could actually charge $69 for this. But anyway, I like that it's in silver. It's really cute. So, I'm going to think about that. Alright, so then I have accessories. I do have like a large tote. So, I know I'll keep the accessories regardless of whether or not I keep the purse. So I have that large tote bag that kind of puts you in the bind but never full. Alright, so I picked this up to go with those. This would be cute with that because it's small enough to be cute with that. So you can put your ID here, and then you got change you could put there. And then you got 2 slots for cards here, and then 2 slots over here. And it's really cute. Alright, and then this one. Okay, and this canvas feels really good. It doesn't feel like cheap canvas. So you have 1, 2 card slots, and then you can put a bunch here, 3 and 4, and this is really cute. And you could have lots of room even with these 2 in there. Okay, and then let's see what this. Oh, this last one is a heart. So it would be an embellishment. I would probably see if I can put my... Oh, I have it right here. I can try it. My earbuds going in there. Looks like it might fit. I have to take Charlie Brown off probably. I'll take the whole case off. But it should fit. Alright, Charlie Brown, quit acting up. Let's see. Yeah, I think Charlie is going to have to get booted. Let's see. Well, it did it. Yeah. Kind of. Alright. Having a little issue here. Let's see. There we go. Alright. So it did fit, case and all. But I'll probably take it out of the case because that was a lot. And I'm easily irritated. So, let's see if we can get the name of this somewhere. Alright, so it's really cute. And that would hang off the side, I would probably, or maybe here, I'd probably hang it like that. So I think that is really cute. And then these would go on the inside. I think I'm keeping the purse. I think I'm talking myself into keeping it. Okay, and then this little cutie right here. I had this in my bag the last time, and that's why it was already in there when I logged on. I never did pick it up, but I liked it. And so I think I needed to reach, oh yeah, I needed to reach $100 because you were able to get $30 off $100. It got the free underwear. And then there was another one. I think there were like 3 coupons I was able to use. And like I said, everything came down to 84 with tax and everything. I think this is super cute. And this will help me on my trip next week. So, put your makeup in here and all of that. And then, I just love this case. Isn't it so pretty? Let's see if we can find the name of this case. So, I don't know if that's super clear. All right, so that's what I have today, guys. Okay, just recapping what I got here. I think I did pretty good, y'all. Got 2 pairs of underwear. Got 2 wallets, a bag charm, a bag, and a travel makeup bag. I think that's pretty good, especially when you are talking about Victoria's Secret. Okay, so we got $25 off of $75. All right. So, let me see. Oh, St. Jude. All right. So that is what I had to share today, guys. Did y'all pick this up? Are you looking for this kind of stuff? Or are you saving your pennies for Coach? All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.